Hello students, today we are going to learn our lesson number 3. The title of our lesson is Input and Output Devices. In previous lecture, I already explained you input devices. But here I just repeat you. Do you know what is input devices? So input device is a device that provides input to the computer. With the use of input device, we can enter the data into the computer. And there are different input device are used with computers: keyboard, point and draw devices, scanning devices, electronic card based devices, speech recognition devices, vision based devices. Now we move to our part 2, output devices, because input device I already explained you previous lecture. Output devices. So here output devices. Do you know what is output? With the use of input device, we can enter any data into the computer. Then in our computer, the CPU start the process of given data, and then after the computer provide the result to the user. The devices that provide output to the user are called output devices. The device which provides output to the user, so it is called output devices. Commonly used output device are monitor and printer. Monitor and printer are most common used output devices. Here just display your different output device list: monitor, printer, projector, plotter, voice response. They all are our output devices. The output device need to be connected with computer. Every device must be connected with computer. Input and output also with connect via wires or without wires, but must be connected with the computer. Next, here I explain you the device monitor device. Which device is monitor devices? Here in this picture you can see they both are your input devices. Your output devices. Monitors are commonly used output devices. So your monitors are your most important output devices. The output is present on computer visual screen. Your output will come in computer visual screen. Your screen look like your television screen. This output is just for viewing purpose and hard copy. Here your output just for only viewing purpose. You cannot take hard copy. But if you want to take your hard copy of your output, then you can use your printer, and with the use of printer you take your output on the paper. So that is why it's called a soft copy output. In your output will come in on the paper, so it is called hard copy, and your output will display on your screen, so it is called soft copy. Here look it in this picture, there are two types of monitor are available. The one is CRT monitors and another is IC monitor. So first of all we discuss with CRT monitor. Do you know what is the full form of CRT? CRT means the cathode ray tube. The full form of CRT means cathode ray tube. CRT monitor also used to display your information. The CRT monitor size is very heavier and very weight. Now you move to our other monitor, LCD and LED monitor. There are two type of flat monitors, LCD and LED monitors. At present, a flat monitor are very popular because they are thinner in a size and lighter in a weight. The flat monitor size is very light and the weight is very light. So it is very popular in nowadays. Flat monitors use technology of LCD and LED. So do you know what is the full form of LCD? LCD, it means liquid crystal display. The full form of LCD is liquid crystal display, and the full form of LED is light emitting diodes. Light emitting diodes. So you compare with CRT monitor and LCD monitor. So here I am just giving two explanations. CRT monitors are used in the older years. Now in the latest generation we are use LCD and LED. CRT monitors weight is very high, weight is very, and the size is very heavy. But in a flat monitor the size is lighter and weight is also lighter. So nowadays the CRT monitor are very popular. So we move to our next topic, printer. Here you look at, this is a printer. Do you know what is the use of printer? So printers are used to take the result on the paper. Printers are used to take result on the paper. Printer provides hard copy output. Printer provides hard copy output and monitor provides soft copy output. There are variety of printer that print content in different way. There are variety types of printer like laser printer, dot matrix printer, inkjet printer. They all are the types of printer. Some printers print content character by character. Some printer print a content by character wise. Like if I want my name output, so some printer print content B H A R A T I. It means it prints my name with character wise. First of all, it print B, then after it print H, then after it print A, and so it is very slow and it's take a more time to take a print. So it is called dot matrix printer, and dot matrix printer is very slow and it is also cheaper. Now move to our other printers. Other printer line by line and are called line printers. Other printer prints our output line by line. So it is called line printer. So it is called line printer. Another category of printer print content by spraying small drops of ink. Another printers are print content by spraying small drops of ink. So these printers are called inkjet printer. Why it is called inkjet printer? Because in inkjet printer we are using ink. So it is called a inkjet printer. Inkjet printers are slower and costlier than the dot matrix printer. Similarly, there are printers available that create the image of page and print the full page at a time using laser technology. So, inkjet printer print the image of whole page and print the full page at a time using a laser technology. So this type of printer is called laser printer. So वो printer को क्या बोलते हैं हम? Laser printer. Laser printers are fastest and costly in comparison with other printer. Laser printer are work very fast and it is very cost to compare the other printer. Here look it into the picture. This is a laser printer. Okay, here I explain you how many types of printer. First, dot matrix printer. Second, inkjet printer. Third, laser printer. Okay, now I repeat you what is the use of dot matrix printer. Dot matrix printers print the content character by character. What is the use of inkjet printer? Inkjet printer work by spraying a small drops of ink. And what is the use of laser printer? So laser printer are create the image of whole page and print the full page at a time with the use of laser technology. Okay, everyone understood here? So we move our next topic, projector. I hope you everyone see projector at our school. Projector. You might have seen your teachers projecting teaching material on wall of your classroom or whiteboard. You all are aware of it. Your teacher are use the projector to teach you something. Okay, so projector are the types of output devices. Output of computer is projected on a bigger flat surface like wall or screen through an output device called projector. The projector works in flat surface like wall or screen through, so it is called your projector. Teaching material with text, image, sound, graph and animation can be prepared and projected on the surface for better viewing. Your teacher also use teaching material to teach you. So your teacher she show your material with the use of projector, and the projector view is very better. Okay, such projectors are very useful for learning, demonstrating and presenting content. Just example, if you are a businessman or businesswoman, you want to say your presentation, so you use with the use of projector, your presentation must be visible to every other people. But in your presentation you use just laptop screen, so it is visible to other people? No, it is not visible. So projector is very useful for learning, demonstrating and presenting a content. Now we move to our last topic, voice response. Stored voice and converted voice can be present to users who do not want to see or read output on monitor, projector or printer. So video games, automatic answering machine, alarm and signal etc. are the applications that need voice output. Voice response means the application which are giving the response of voice, like video games. In video games there are some sounds are available, so it is a part of voice response output devices. Automatic answering machine, it is also the part of output devices. Alarm, signals, they all are also the parts of output devices. Okay, now we discuss our exercise. Choose the most appropriate option from those given below. You must be right in your computer notebook. Okay students, and you also must be submitted in your application. I check how many students are done your homework. I hope you all are complete your exercise. Question number 1. Which of the following refer to data and instruction that are given to computer? A. Input. B. Output. C. Both input and output. D. Processing. So here your output is input. Second, which of the following is the other name of input output devices? So here your question is properties. Second, peripherals. C. Parts. And D. None of these. So here your answer is peripheral devices. Third, a keyboard is considered as which of the following devices? Do you know? Keyboard is called input devices. So here your option: an input, B an output, C both input and output, D processing. So here your answer is input devices. Now question number 4. A keyboard works on which of the following concept? A. Point and draw. B. Text entry. C. Visual. And D. Virtual. So here keyboard works on text entry concept. So your answer will text entry. Now fifth question. A mouse can also be used as which of the following devices? So here your option are A an input, B an output, C processing and D any of these. So here your answer will an input. Mouse is it called input devices. Now move to your sixth question. Which of the following refer to the mouse? Your options are there: A. Point and draw device, B. Text based device, C. Visual device, and D. Virtual device. So here your answer will point and draw device. Understood? Now next question. Which of the following is a standard coding system for product price and other information related to the product? Here your question is: A. Universal product code, B. Uniform print code, C. Universal print code, and D. Uniform product code. So here your answer is Universal product code. Which of the following is the process of recognizing character written with special magnetic ink? Here your option is multi-purpose ink character recognition, B. magnetic ink character recognition, C. multi-fold character recognition, D. multi-fold ink character recognition. So here your answer is multi-purpose ink character recognition. Now move your last question 9. Which of the following technologies do flat monitor use? Which of the technology do flat monitor use? Here your option CRT, LED and LCD. So here your correct answer is R, LCD and LED. So you tick mark on your D option, both B and C. I hope you everyone understood this chapter 3. Here your chapter completed. I hope you all are done your exercise in your computer notebook, and you also must be submitted into the application. Thanks. Have a nice day.